Hello, I'm Jeff Lewis, Slides Factory Representative. My role is all about training, problem solving, and educating our customers on the best practices within the plastics and molding industry. My assistance is always tailored to your specific needs, applications, and challenges. After more than 30 years in plastics, tool and die, construction, and hands-on machining and mechanics, trust me, I've seen it all. I thrive on challenges and solving problems. So bring me your toughest plastics processing and molding questions. My team and I will strive to find solutions that truly improve your operations. And here's the best part. We offer this to all of our clients and distributors at no charge. Contact me and take advantage of this complimentary service. It's a key part of what we call here at Slide the Slide difference.